example, so this is your Selenium. Don't know exactly the spelling of Selenium.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, no problem.
Selenium Java automation, for example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is the repository of your testing team? The repository is Selenium Java automation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the repository. So three people are working on this automation.
So this is a remote repository, right? Selenium
This
Java
is a
automation.
remote. This is a
Okay.
remote repository.
Mm-hmm.
This is a GitHub remote repository.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is a GitHub remote repository. These guys are working on that. So Java Selenium automation. Kafka application.
Okay, three
This is the
testers,
one process.
automation testers. Yeah.
Whatever the project, okay,
Mm.
that you are writing the code. So there is a structure, right? So for example, your teammates are created a structure, right?
Mm.
The structure of this Java automation. Okay.
Okay.
So that utils, pictures, whatever it may be, guys. Right?
Mm.
Java automation structure.
A framework, right? Framework.
Yes, yes.
Framework. Yes, yes, yes.
Selenium Java framework structure. Yeah, this is the structure.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Mm.
So this is something like a cucumber or something like George and Joe's or something like. So this is
Okay.
the structure they already created and keep it in as a repository. Okay.
Okay.
So once you downloaded that repository on into your like local system, you will get that folder structure,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
What this is a today you will get to understand. So this is a for example main repository. Okay. So
Mm.
you download it to local. So what the repository name?
Same.
Selenium
Selenium Java
Java
automation.
automation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you three people are downloaded the clone the this repository. Yesterday, whatever we
So
downloaded,
this
right?
activity will happen daily, yeah? This one?
No, no. Why do we need daily? So one
Okay.
time, git clone is one time.
Ah, ah, ah. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
So one time you can download this. Okay. So you
Mm-hmm.
can download now. You get the local repository, Selenium Java automation, Selenium Java automation, Selenium Java automation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, with the main branch. So what you can do, you can create your local branch. You can create a local branch, then write the code and push it to the your branch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once you push right, so for example, feature 1 to 3 you created. What is that?
Yeah.
Feature 1 to 3 is created in your local and push it to the code into the main. Push it to the code to the remote repository. So whatever the code there in the future repository here, the code will be available in the remote repository also.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Ah, 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 ah.
So you pushed the code. So you pushed the code from future local feature to remote feature.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then you can create a pull request from here to here. For example, you did the one test case. So in the structure, they assigned a one test case. You wrote the test case and we tested in our local. It's working fine. You created you pushed the code from your local to remote remote
Mm.
repository. So remote branch also, it will publish the branch means it will create a branch and it will add the code into the remote repository also. Now the code is in our local repository as well as remote repository with the future branch one too.
Okay, okay.
So what you can do here, you can create a merge request or pull request. What is
Mm-hmm.
that? Merge request or pull request with the reviewer and approver, with reviewer and approver. For example, your lead or manager is the approver. Need to validate the code, right? So if
Mm-hmm.
you are writing correct or not. So once he validated, then he will merge this pull request. What he will do?
Where is the pull request? Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once he merge the pull request, it send it to the main.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Once they created the automation test case, so you already added one test case. So this guy also added one test case. This guy also added one test case. Now here, how many test cases we have in the main?
Three. Three.
Three test cases. But in
Uh-huh.
your local, how many test cases you have?
One.
One, right? So
Yes.
you want to sync with the same with the
Other
local
two. Other two also. Correct. Other
other
two
two
people.
ones, other two people. But this
Mm-hmm.
code is in our which branch?
Main branch.
Main
No.
branch, right? So here also you have a main branch, right? You have a main branch and future branch.
Mm-hmm.
So this is you are sync up with the main to main and feature to feature.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but our code is in future branch, right? But the main branch is having the code or not in the local. But our remote main having the three test cases. Future
Yes.
remote having the main having the three test cases. Okay,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
yes, right. So what
Yes.
you can do? So whatever the test case you ran, right? So you can merge from future to main. So you
Mm-hmm.
can merge from future to main. So now you have the only one test case is in our main. So once you do the git pull from you connected to you connected to the main branch. If you use the git pull, it will automatically download the other two test cases in the main branch.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Uh.
So now your main branch having the three test cases.
Okay. 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 The same. The other two people also will do. Right?
Same the people will you want to sync up with the main. You want to sync up with the main because of three. So whatever the changes they are done, right? You need those changes also.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Understood that? Same. So whatever the test case he wrote, right? So the
Hmm.
test case will be there in his local. You want the other two test cases also. So the same way you can do the git merge, whatever I did, I tell right, I told right. The same way he is also doing. So
Okay.
once you write and push all the test cases, for example, the automation completes. For example, you wrote the 100 test cases. Okay. So it is working fine. It is working fine. So then they will create a something like they will automate the test case, run the pipeline. It will automatically test it your application without manual intervention. Now you understood how QA people work on that GitHub, GitLab,
Yeah.
Bitbucket.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now
Yes.
you
Yes.
got it?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So Devesh, so you were working as a developer or something like that. How you are new to this or something like.
I'm new to it. First time, like I'm learning this. So
Yeah. So you are working professional or trying to get the job in the IT field?
no, no, I'm working professional. I'm learning Azure data engineering. So for that in Azure DevOps, we push the code and pull the code. So for that only I wanted to learn that.
Very good, very good. So you were working as a
Uh, Currently as a data engineering.
data engineering. Very good, very good, very good thing, Devesh. So DevOps people, you want to involve in the DevOps people. For that purpose, you want to learn that Git, right?
Right, right.
Very good, very good. Thanks. Yeah. So did you understand this one or something like you can watch the recording. So you joined late, right?
Yeah, I didn't understand. Just I understood that. client architecture which you told on the first day?
Yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you. No worries. Just he asked how the QA people work on the GitHub or remote repositories. So I said like that. So how the people, how it will work on it. I will tell you. No worries. In the DevOps perspective also.
Okay.
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 So Prejeet, you understand, right?